Hi cuties! We're here ngayon sa BGC to visit ang newly opened branch ng isang premium hotpot place dito. Alam niyo naman, lately itong nagiging hilig namin. But this one is not the typical Chinese hotpot place. Outer space themed to kaya unique. At napakadaming mga meat, seafood, meatballs, vegetables at soup base na mapagpipilian. As in! Meron din sila mga discounted hotpot sets available if you want to try out their best sellers and most recommended. Pagpasok pa lang, alam mong out of this world ang magiging experience. Dahil bukod sa literal na outer space ang ambience na perfect for dining and snapping photos with your friends and family, babati sa'yo ang self-selection area nila na may wide variety ng mga ingredients na halatang high quality and fresh. And when I say variety, ang dami talagang choices. Yung iba nga hindi mo makikita normally kahit sa mga grocery. Bali color-coded yung mga plates dito. Yung blue plates, mga instant noodles, Korean fish cake, deep fried dough at iba pa. Yung green plates naman, iba-ibang klase ng tofu, noodles, vegetables and mushrooms. For the yellow plates, dito yung mga pork dumplings, iba-ibang balls like lobsters, beef, celery, mushroom, and more. Next naman itong mga mandarin plates. Ito yung mga beef rolls, clams, sliced pork, and shrimp. Lastly, red plates which are mostly seafood like fresh squid, octopus, scallops, abalone, beef tendon, at iba pa. Kung na-overwhelm kayo sa choices and you're not sure which one to pick, don't worry. As I've said earlier, may hotpot set sila. Gaya na lang nitong tinry namin na summer deal nila na special hotpot set for only 1,699. Meron ng premium selection ng meat, seafood, meatballs, and vegetables, plus 2 servings of rice and dipping sauces. Perfectly complemented ng combo soup nila which is yung signature chicken broth at mala spicy broth. At dahil madami kami, nagdagdag pa kami ng all-meat platter which is 699. We also ordered 2 platters of Australian grade A beef. Nakakatakam kasing itsura. On top dun sa soup na kasama sa summer deal, nag-order din kami separately ng double combo to try yung iba namang flavor which is yung sour kimchi na sabi nila parang sinigang. Sobrang rich, savory, and concentrated ng soup nila. And hindi lang siya basta sabaw, ang dami ding laman na kasama kaya malasa talaga. Aromatic and may kick yung mala spicy soup. In-explain din ng staff na adjustable to kung gusto naming mas spicy pa or i-lessen yung spice. Pero for us, panalo yung signature chicken soup na sabi nila slow cooked for 6 hours kaya flavorful talaga. Literal na may kasamang chicken sa soup mismo. Sabaw pa lang talaga, ulam na. Sa mga meat and seafood, kitang-kita namang quality talagang itsura ng mga to at neatly arranged and packed. And sobrang ganda ng presentation. Parang ayaw na nga naming galawin. Nakakatuwa kasi naka-indicate na din kung ilang seconds recommended na lutuin ng bawat isa. Nga pala, nag-offer din sila ng handmade dumplings and in-avail din namin to. Sa harap nyo mismo ipe-prepare ng staff to. Hindi man dito only but you get what you pay for with quality service and good food. Sobrang attentive ng staff and helpful. Nakakatuwa din yung attention to detail nila kahit yung pagharang tuwing magpupor ng soup. By the way, kung gusto nyo ng exclusive dining experience, may available din na private rooms dito. Ideal for special occasions or kung gusto nyo lang ng privacy with your loved ones. Sayang nga, late na namin napansin, dun na sana kami. If you would like to try this out too, huwag kayong mag-alala, hindi lang dito sa BGC ang branch nila. Meron din sa Makati, Parañaque, San Juan, and Binondo. Magkakaiba pala ng theme yan bawat store. This one that we visited ay located sa The Shops at Grand Central Park, BGC. Open ng 10 a.m. to 11 p.m. Make sure to try their space-themed land hotpot experience that's definitely a level up from the usual. Thanks for watching, cutie. Follow me for more echoes. Bye!